Namaste, friends. In this wake of the COVID 19 crisis, humanity has found itself in a sea of hopelessness. Everybody is waddling, is struggling. There is fear, there is despair, there is lack of hope, and that itself is a testing of our resilience to respond to difficult circumstances. This loss of hopelessness has happened because of lack of purpose in life. We are being tested of how well we respond to this crisis. And hope can only come when there is purpose of life established. We have been living this meaningless life where we do our mundane, but only during this crisis we have got to know that doing the mundane is not beneficial for self as well as others. So we have to wake up. This is a wake up call for each one of us to revisit the purpose of our life. Why am I born? What is the purpose of my life? How do I connect to my relationships? What is there to be looked forward to in my career? What is there to look forward in my future? If we are not doing this soul searching, then we are in a state of hopelessness. Only when we have identified what our strengths are, what is really important in our life, and we focus on nurturing that, can the real purpose of our life be established. Most importantly, realizing that we have a common goal. We are connected and we can only proceed forward in life when we have a clear purpose and we are working towards it. If that happens, then hope will certainly come back to its rightful place. And we will be able to be more optimistic and more energetic in each of our endeavors. I wish and pray that each one of us does this exercise of soul searching and moves forward in a more meaningful manner.